We all dream of having a closet filled with outfits for every occasion. On the other hand, the more clothes you've got, the more places you need to put them, the more laundry you need to do, the more money you spend. Stay tuned for today's episode of Top Clothes Hacks. There's two types of people in this world. Those who literally throw their laundry in the closet, and those who take the extra time to meticulously fold it. The first tend towards the lazy side, and the second towards obsessive-compulsive. But what if we told you there was a way to keep things tidy while also making it kind of fun? Pretty cool, huh? Oh, hey Natalie! You've got one of those too? Good job, girl! You get an A+ for organization. Uh-oh. Looks like someone's been laying into the chocolate again. Don't worry, Jess. We've got just the thing. You'll need some glue and something to decorate with. Carefully press the fabric into the glue, and unless you're going for an avant-garde look, repeat the process on both legs and both sides. Your old shorts have just gained a new life. You look great, Jess. Can you make me a pair? Looks like Ashley's getting her zen on. Meditation's a great tool. It makes you mindful, centered, even more confident. Uh-oh. Looks like we've got a problem. Yeah, that's definitely not gonna help with Ashley's confidence. Don't sweat, girl. We've got your back. Grab those unnecessarily revealing leggings and some scissors. And make that hole even bigger? Wait, why does Ash look so smug? Oh, looks like somebody just made herself a brand new pullover. Nice. A little stretching, and she's ready to get back on that mat. Oh, hey, girl.
Ew.
Houston, we've got a problem. Where'd you get that skirt, Jess? I've got the same question for you, Natalie. Come on, girls. This isn't worth fighting over. Just use those pretty little heads of yours. A little length adjustment, and an accessory that draws attention to the waist. Pair your new outfit with a classic jean jacket. And don't forget that cool pair of vintage sunglasses. I wonder what Natalie's gonna think of Jess's new outfit.
Hey! Wow!
That's what I thought.
Nice.
Hashtag DIY. Hashtag besties forever. Natalie, are you seriously still asleep? Wake up! We have to leave soon, and you haven't even picked up your dress from the dry cleaners. Lucky for Natalie, there's a crafty way of turning her pajama pants into a cowl neck dress that would look perfect on her. Banish that bedhead, and you're good to go. Ashley, I've been ready for hours. What? Natalie, how? Wouldn't you like to know? See ya later, alligator. There's nothing quite like meeting up with your best friend and having her tell you you've got major pit stains. Oh no, Natalie, I'm gonna need your shawl. Operation Cover Those Pit Stains is a go. Make a knot. Throw the whole thing over your head. And voila! We've got a boho vest. That purse should ensure our pit covers stay in place. Looks like Jessica is hard at work. And like that's about to be over. But it's almost 12 a.m., Jess. That's a little late for happy hour now. I think you've really been overworking yourself. No, I could still make it to Nat's thing. I'll just have to improvise. That looks great, Jess. And you sure do deserve a break. Jessica! I can't believe you actually made it. I love your dress. To friendship. Cheers, girls. What, us? We're not gonna tell Natalie you were working into the night again and almost didn't come. If you don't, your workaholic secrets are safe with us. This one goes out to the shopaholics, hoarders, and anyone else who's got a ton of stuff and can't find any of it. Jeez, even my bag is overflowing. Natalie, you've just hit upon an organizational treasure trove, and you don't even know it. You'll need to break off the pull tab and slide it over the hanger. Add another hanger and another one. And don't stop until you've organized your whole closet. Okay, but what about when you've got plastic hangers and your clothes are constantly falling off? Come on, Natalie. Channel those physics lessons. Yup, you just needed friction. Good job, girl. A+. What seems to be the problem, ma'am? You're on the brink of stretching out your favorite sweatshirt? No problem. Give that bad boy a couple folds and put him back where he belongs. Job well done. Time flies when you're having fun. But what about when you realize you've already RSVP'd somewhere and forgot to bring clothes to change into? Girls, this entire episode is about clothes hacks. Think! I knew Kira wouldn't let us down. Let's see what she's got in mind. Hey there! Jokes aside, we're gonna convert this into an open back cardigan and not even use scissors. It all starts with throwing that cardigan on backwards. I hope you're wearing a bracelet or have one laying around. Otherwise, you're just gonna be wearing a cardigan backwards and getting weird looks all night. A couple finishing touches, and see? Our open back cardigan looks like it's actually supposed to be worn this way. Let's see how Jessica's doing. If Kira is doing the back thing, I'm gonna do the front thing, just making sure it's nice and secure and no one will suspect anything. Good thinking, Jess. You definitely didn't go wrong with that one. What do you think? What do you think? I think these girls are brilliant. They just need some accessories. Nice, and a hair change. Hope that party is ready for these two. What do you do when your top doesn't quite work with the bottom? Ashley girl, don't think twice. You need to change. More leggings? More cutting? Okay, show us what you've got. A couple finishing touches, and our ultra trendy boots are almost ready. Perfect. And I didn't even end up dropping those Benjamins I don't have. Now, if I can just make myself go to those Shopaholic Anonymous meetings. So, you wanted to do something nice for your boyfriend and got him a present, but didn't quite get the sizing right. Well, you haven't been telling him to lay off that pizza for nothing. Don't even think about returning them. While your boo is working off those calories, we're just gonna make a present for ourselves. Ta-da! Disappointment banished. Ashley, help! These straps look awful. Leave it to me, Natalie. Get a hold of those pesky straps. And feel free to crisscross 2 bobby pins if you don't randomly have paper clips on you when you work out. Good job, girls. Now you can get back to burning off those pesky calories. It's blooper time! Hit that subscribe button and let us know your favorite clothing hacks down in the comments. And remember to breathe the next time you find yourself in a jam. There's probably a creative solution right around the corner.